Let's talk about the road to Addis, but with electric vehicles. Kenya's shift to clean transport is picking up speed, with electric vehicle sales surging 200% in the past year. The rise, driven by high fuel costs, affordability, and rising climate awareness, was symbolically highlighted by the flag-off of the road to Addis, a 1,600-kilometer electric safari from Nairobi to Addis Ababa, showcasing East Africa's readiness for large-scale e-mobility adoption.
When you talk of green mobility, this is one of the global example, and that's why we are excited to support that. But more importantly is that there are many benefits to the economy arising from e-mobility in terms of we don't need to import a lot of fuel, which now currently we lose a lot of money through foreign exchange by importing oil. So we can use locally generated electricity, which is green, and that will make a whole lot of difference to our economy. The 2023 and now, or 2024, the growth has been 200% growth in the e-mobility segment. And it is growing because there is a lot of vibrancy in the sector and a lot of initiative by various players to be a player in the buying vehicles, setting up charging stations. So we see this as one of the big growth segment for our business sales going forward.
Interesting. I'd like to know the charging stations they'll use across to